The announcement of the 2026 Ferrari EV, tentatively codenamed the Electrica, is more than just a new model reveal. It's the moment Maranello confronts its own soul. For a brand built entirely on the screaming, visceral joy of internal combustion, going electric is the ultimate high-wire act. The challenge isn't merely building a fast EV, it's building a Ferrari EV, a machine that captures the passion, the precision, and the sensory overload of the prancing horse, all while weighing over 5,000 pounds and operating in near silence. With an expected starting price north of $500,000, this is a hyper GT aimed at redefining what electric performance luxury means. It is a vehicle that must instantly transcend the capabilities of every other high-performance EV on the market, including those dedicated roadsters with massive horsepower figures. While the Polestar 6 delivers a stunning 884 horsepower and open-top thrill, the new Ferrari EV pushes the boundary further, targeting a quad-motor system that exceeds 1,000 horsepower, redefining the top tier of electric performance entirely. Today, we are dissecting the engineering choices that Ferrari made, focusing on how they intend to conquer physics, manage massive battery weight, and, most importantly, deliver an emotional soundtrack worthy of their legendary badge. The heart of the Electrica is a revolutionary, fully in-house developed powertrain built within Ferrari's new dedicated E-building in Maranello. This is not a shared platform. This is a bespoke aluminum-intensive chassis that integrates a massive 122 kilowatt-hour battery pack directly into the structure, a key move to maximize stiffness and lower the center of gravity by a full 80 millimeters compared to a conventional Ferrari. While this battery is huge and responsible for the car's circa 2,300 kilogram weight, it is comprised of cells with the highest energy density in the road-going EV segment, boasting 195 watt-hours per kilogram. The 1,000-plus horsepower figure is achieved through a bespoke quad-motor system with 2 motors on the front axle and 2 on the rear. This setup allows for unprecedented active torque vectoring, meaning the car can instantly and independently manage the power delivered to each individual wheel. The performance figures are terrifyingly familiar, 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2.5 seconds, placing it in the same league as their hybrid hypercars like the SF90. Powering this immense torque is a bespoke 800-volt architecture operating up to 880 volts that enables ultra-fast charging speeds of up to 350 kilowatts DC. This ensures that even with a substantial 122 kilowatt-hour battery, the car can recover 80% of its estimated 330 miles of range in roughly 15 to 18 minutes, minimizing downtime and maximizing the usable driving experience. This single-minded focus on extracting the maximum dynamic performance from the platform is a world away from the efficiency-first approach of rivals. For context, the Lucid Gravity also utilizes high-voltage architecture to achieve its own goal, but where the Lucid uses it to achieve maximum class-leading range of over 440 miles, the Ferrari sacrifices that efficiency for extreme lightweight-defying performance. The true magic and the place where Ferrari engineers earned their paychecks is in the handling. Overcoming 5,000 pounds of mass requires technological wizardry, and Ferrari delivers with a complete suite of active dynamics. The Electrica features a new third-generation 48-volt active suspension system that works continuously to adjust damping, body roll, and load distribution up to 200 times per second. This system, combined with rear-wheel steering and the quad-motor torque vectoring, is designed to make the car feel lighter than it is, ensuring the classic Ferrari agility and steering precision are not lost. The most crucial and controversial element is the sound. Ferrari knew piping in a fake V12 exhaust note would be heresy. Instead, they took a revolutionary approach, amplifying the car's own authentic mechanical vibrations. They treat the electric drive unit and inverter casting like the body of an electric guitar, installing a high-precision accelerometer on the rear axle to capture the actual mechanical whine, gear noise, and electrical frequency shifts of the motors themselves. This signal is filtered, processed in real time, and then amplified into the cabin and projected externally. The sound, Ferrari says, is not a simulation, it is the authentic, organic voice of the electric machine, providing the driver with functional, visceral feedback that changes based on throttle input and load. This commitment to the sensory feedback loop is what separates the Electrica from virtually every other premium EV on the road. The design, while still under wraps, is tipped to be a 4-door performance flagship with an extended wheelbase, a Hyper GT that blends the usability of the Purosangue with the performance of their most potent supercars. It's a statement that the highest level of performance is now electric and can be shared with more than one passenger. Ultimately, the 2026 Ferrari EV is a declaration that the brand's identity is not defined by its engine, but by its engineering obsession and the emotional connection it fosters. It's a vehicle that rejects compromise, pushing the boundaries of battery density, charging speed, and active chassis control to create a driving sensation that transcends the weight and silence inherent to the platform. For a perfect contrast in performance philosophy, consider the more accessible Polestar 6. While both are performance EVs, the Polestar focuses on lightweight, open-top thrill for 2, while the Ferrari focuses on extreme, all-weather, all-wheel drive Hyper GT performance for 4. Review our Polestar 6 outline to compare their 800-volt architecture and core mission. The Electrica is poised to become the most technologically advanced and polarizing Ferrari ever built. It will be the benchmark for every future electric performance car, setting the standard for how the electric motor can be turned into a soulful performance instrument. Is this amplified mechanical voice enough to replace the howl of a V12? And is a $500,000 electric GT truly worthy of the prancing horse? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below and subscribe for the full, non-redacted reveal in early 2026.